The tax relief workshops are hosted by the many members of the Board of Supervisors. The workshops are staffed by individuals from the Department of Tax Administration. They are there to provide applications, help fill out applications, and answer any questions the applicants may have. Individuals who are 65 years of age or are permanently and totally disabled that meet certain criteria may be eligible for the real estate, personal property, and tax relief for renters programs. The applications are mailed out in January each year and are due back by April. We do accept late applications for hardships and first-time filers. It is important to make the application process as simple as possible. The board recognizes that it may be difficult for the elderly and disabled to come to a centralized location, so staff from the Department of Tax Administration go out throughout Fairfax County to the various board offices and help with the application process. For more information, you can visit us in the Government Center at Suite 225.5, or you can also give us a call or visit the website.